Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Casey Electronics. Unboxing TFJ lighting. I did order some lights, so I believe those are softboxes 900 watts for my channel. And I didn't open that yet. I didn't want to make video about that. So here we go. Let's cut it here. Cut it there. And one long slice. I hope I didn't cut it. Okay. Did not. Flip it around. That looks fancy. So it comes in a carry bag like this. That's all good. Okay, let's open it. What is the zip here? Let's see a beginner. Huh. Okay. So one softbox. Other softbox. Actually, those was. I think those was the stands, but we'll see. I will open it, everything. I think this is the cover for the softbox. Another one. White box. God knows what is that. Oh, okay. That's a bulb. See that? Ooh, that's a big bulb. Oh, open my hand. Big. Okay, let's put that aside so they don't get broken. Two of them. And I think these are the stands. So let's open that as well. Oops. Oh, okay, yeah, that's a stand. Looks like a tripod stand. Okay, how this works. Alright. Oh, got it now. So you open it like this, put it in position where you want it, and lock it over here. Lock it like that. Not sure if I can take it whole in a picture. Use it. Can extend it. How do we close that then? Oh, okay. Then it goes up. So you're going like that. They fold it. And so they open like this. Then this one goes up. You look that in place. And if you're done with it, you deposit away and put it away. User manual. 60 by 60 softbox continuous lighting kit. SKU PT SBK125N. Read and understand all instructions, of course we will. Okay, so let's have a look what is in this pouch. Okay. So these are the softboxes itself. Ooh, that's big. That's so big. Okay, so you open that like that, push it in. It works like an umbrella. I'm pretty sure there is a different way how to do that. Let's see. Open up, down. Now I did get it. So what you have to actually basically do, you open that as an umbrella, and then you push this ring around this white ring, so it goes around, and then you put the giant big bulb there. And I think then it is time for this bag. Sorry, headphones users. How do I open this? How do I go about this one? Some sort of. Okay, so that's not what I was thinking. It is. Oh, this is what I was looking for. Maybe that's some bag to put it away. Stuff. Okay, that's what I was on about. Yeah, so that goes around. And then on each corner, sort of like a bed, like a bedding for the bed. Okay. Okay, it's how a Velcro over here. Perfect. Each side have a Velcro, so you can lock it in place. Yeah. What this set will allow me to do, it will allow me to record in a bigger room with more space, not in my workshop, and yeah, then I will be able to show you guys stuff better because there will be more space and camera will have more bigger angle to catch stuff. Should I light it up? Do I dare it? Should I light it up? Okay, let's have a look here. So we have a long cable, pretty long cable. It looks like it's long. Let's undo it. Yay! Long cables. And switch on it. On, off, on, off. Okay, let's put that gigantic bulb in there. Sure, if it's a good idea to take it with bare hands. We'll see. Okay, let's look locked in place. Let's close this. Connect it to electric. Where's our light switch? I hope I will not blind you guys. Okay, it's off. Ooh, that's bright. That did become really bright. Okay, so let's do a different way. I'll take it aside. Now it's off. Now it's on. Off. On. Okay, how much light is this? It's great, lots of light. Let's see. Huh. Good. Can't wait to use both of them and put it on a set. That's it for now. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.